We are Drone Cadets. We're so excited to be here today, and we are going to be doing some water testing. We're going to be testing the water for all kinds of elements and minerals and bacteria. See what the water is like. This is the water just right from here at the Flushing Meadows Pond, and the kids are going to do it themselves. And they're going to also use a drone to collect that water sample. We'll put the water in a barrel. They're going to fly a drone over the barrel, dip a little bottle into it with the drone, take it back, and then they'll do the testing with their teams. They've all got their roles. We've got research analysts and research recorders and pilots and visual observers and water collectors. And everybody knows what their job is, and today we're going to execute. Good mission.
Say it loudly.
Drone going up.
Down front. There you go. There you go. Let it fill up. Let it fill up. All right. Slowly throttle up. Slowly throttle up. All right. Get it back here. Get it back here.
It's been going great. It's been a great day today. The kids are having fun. We're getting a lot of water samples going on. And let's see what the results are when they get back to the school.
Go Drone Cadets.
We are redundant. That means to make sure we are literally in the same exact point where we're supposed to be. Next year. Make sure you go to your teachers.
Yeah, we're just having fun with the kids. Pretty much doing an environmental experiment. So we're keeping the kids moving. I think everyone's having a really good time.
You are responsible for that sample to get it into the barrel.
What I like about Drone Cadets is that it teaches us how to fly drones, and it's a really cool experience.
Today was a complete success. All right, the Drone Cadets showed up, showed out for 140 students. I'm sorry, 120 students. Literally, we had this planned out, utilizing getting the water sampling to making sure they got hands-on as far as sampling the water that they collected with the buckets, and then getting those data analysts and be able to test out what's actually in that water, from bacteria to hardness, to density, to whether or not you and I should be even fishing out of there. We'll find out in the next 24 hours. But overall, they got that experience. What we want to do, real work-based experience and exposure is what we love to do. So, you know, with 120 students from PS 58, School of Heroes, I want to say thank you. All right, thank you to the principal, Christina, our drill. I want to say thank you to my team. We got Rob, Eduardo, Kelsey, Faith, you, my man Elton, and my partner in crime, Grace Canwell, right? So we want to thank everyone for being here, being patient with us. I know it was hot, all right? I had them running. I had them doing all types of craziness, making sure that they was involved, because there's a lot of students, man, you know? If we're not keeping them busy, they're veering off doing other things. So it was good, it was controlled, and on top of that, it was a success. So we're gonna be doing this with many other schools next year, giving that real work-based experience so they can see it, feel it, from the classroom to the field. That's how it's supposed to be done, right? Tony Reed here, out from Queens in Flushing Meadow Park. We'll see you on the next school field trip.